Dear students, welcome to School Success. This video is about the chapter A Different Kind of School from the book Honeysuckle of Class 6 English. So let us understand the story in my own words and then we'll do the question and answers of the same. The story revolves around a visit to Miss Beam's school, which is known for its unusual approach to education. Upon arrival, the visitor notices a young girl being led by another child, both appearing as if playing a game. It turns out the girl is experiencing a blind day, part of the school's method where children simulate various disabilities like blindness, deafness, and lameness. Miss Beam, the school's director, explains that these experiences are meant to teach empathy and responsibility. Each child spends designated days blindfolded or with a simulated disability, relying on classmates to assist them. This practice aims to cultivate kindness and understanding among the students, fostering a deeper appreciation for the challenges others face. Despite initial surprise at seeing children with bandages or using crutches, the visitor learns that these experiences are not meant to cause distress, but rather to educate in a supportive environment. The school focuses less on traditional subjects and more on character development through practical lessons and discussions. Through interactions with the children, it becomes clear how these experiences enrich their understanding of others' struggles and strengths. By the end of the visit, the visitor appreciates the school's approach, seeing how it nurtures thoughtful and caring individuals who value empathy and community. Miss Beam School stands out for its commitment to teaching beyond textbooks, emphasizing the importance of compassion and respect in shaping well rounded individuals. Let us now discuss the theme of the story. The theme of the story revolves around empathy, understanding, and character development. It highlights how Miss Beam's school uses unconventional methods to teach students important life lessons beyond academic knowledge. By simulating disabilities like blindness and deafness, the school aims to instill empathy and responsibility in the children. The theme emphasizes the importance of recognizing and appreciating the challenges faced by others, fostering a sense of compassion and community among the students. Ultimately, the story underscores the idea that education goes beyond traditional subjects, focusing on nurturing empathy and building strong moral character in young individuals. The story teaches us that understanding and caring about others are really important. At Miss Beam School, kids learn empathy by experiencing what it's like to have disabilities like being blind or deaf for a day. This helps them appreciate the challenges others face and makes them more helpful and kind. It shows that education isn't just about books, it's also about learning to be considerate and responsible towards others, which makes us better people and build stronger communities. Let us now move on to the question and answer section. Question number one: why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? And the answer is the writer visited Miss Beam's school likely out of curiosity and interest in learning about its unique educational methods. He had heard a lot about the school and had the chance to see it firsthand, which prompted his visit to observe how Miss Beam teaches and interacts with her students, especially considering the school's reputation for its unconventional approach to education. Question 2: what was the game that every child in the school had to play? And the answer is The game that every child in Miss Beam's school had to play was a simulated experience of various disabilities. Each term, every child would have one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. During these days, the children would experience wearing a blindfold, using crutches, having their ears covered, pretending to be injured, or refraining from speaking. These experiences were designed to help the children understand and appreciate what it's like to live with different challenges, fostering empathy and responsibility among them. Question number 3. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day. Complete the line. Which day was the hardest? Why was it the hardest? And the answer is the complete line is each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. The hardest day for the children was the blind day. They had to wear a bandage over their eyes all day and were not allowed to peek. This made them completely dependent on others for help, which was scary because they couldn't see anything around them. Question number 4. What was the purpose of these special days? And the answer is the purpose of these special days at Miss Beam School was to teach the children empathy and understanding. By experiencing simulated disabilities like blindness, deafness, and others, the children learn to appreciate the challenges that others might face. It helped them develop kindness and responsibility towards their peers who were going through these challenges, fostering a stronger sense of empathy and consideration for others' difficulties. Students, that was all about the chapter A Different Kind of School. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.